haven't done much research yet on this hurricane, but from what I can tell, it's Category 2, and by the time it hits land, it's going to be a Category 3. They're projecting that it's going to hit Panama City. We're going to get some backlash of it. So I'm not too amped on that. We did this around the same time last year. If you guys remember, follow our YouTube channel. This is exactly what happened around this time last year. Late September, it's October now, but late September there was a hurricane. We had to go to my mom's house. So yeah, we're gonna do the same shit again, and hopefully we won't have any damage. It's Pat. Is that funny? What?
Does this say Andrew?
Yes, it does.
Okay. And he does. See, it's kind of hard not to laugh.
Uh-oh. 5-second rule, pick it up, quick. Oh, a little bit of foot. Alright, so back home. Work was decent. Wasn't too bad. People preparing for the hurricane were pretty hungry, so worked out pretty good. We're gonna go to bed and wake up and see what's up with the weather. And we're gonna continue this vlog. So yeah.
Bye.
Peace. Okay, what's up everybody? Good morning. It is way too late to be getting up, but that's okay. It's a free country. Is that my milk? Say morning, Beans. Say good morning. Alright, so far, completely calm outside. No signs that there's even a hurricane coming. So, we're gonna post up here a little bit longer before we head to my mom's house. Ron's clearly out of school today. The island. So, yeah, we're gonna wait it out and see what's up. I'll keep you guys updated. Hey.
What are you doing?
What? Then what?
Why are you doing this?
YouTube. Strike that shit. It's like, oh, there's us in silver.
Sometimes I'm like, oh, Francis look good.
Yeah. And then sometimes people who have those cars don't drive for me. That's pretty. So this is the hurricane, guys. This is what the hurricane is. Windows and stuff. Completely missed us. So yeah, 2-day vlog for no reason. So you guys enjoyed the awesome extra 3 minutes of footage.
But we're very thankful and lucky.
Yes, this is true. Could have been really bad.
Could have.
Good content. Flooded home. Yeah. forgot last night I left my crock here. Yeah. Really slim. You got like a guy surfing, like a boat right there on the first sandbar.
Mm-hmm.
Just like the greatest.
Some kind of drop through. There's literally nothing in the building.
Alright guys, we're gonna get some just supremely unique Gulf Shore seafood.
I can't do this.
You can do. Why do you act like?
All right, guys. That's it for today's vlog. Stop!
Go.
All right, guys. That's it for today's vlog. Like and subscribe. And yeah, peace.
Alright guys, thanks for coming to the vlog. Like and subscribe. Share, show your friends. Yeah, that's it. See you guys next time.
1, 2, 3, funk it. My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.